The theater programs in 2 local schools in my area are preparing for productions of Matilda Jr. They don't have all the set pieces that they need, so my friend and I decided we would make the entrance gates to the school at the center of the film, Crunchem Hall. Now, our gate design is not based off of the gate used in Netflix's Matilda the Musical. No, ours is based on this 5-minute sketch. The first thing we need to do is build the metallic gate, which is really going to be made of 5 pieces of 2x4 lumber and some PVC pipe that runs from the top down to the bottom. Now, with the fencing mostly done, we need to build the frames for the 2 brick pillars that will support the gate. Now, we have to remember to make 2 because our official instructions failed to make mention of that. Okay, we've attached the fencing to the pillars and tested it to make sure it would actually swing open. Next up is adding the finials to the top of each rod on the gate. Now it's time to make this set piece stage-worthy. Okay, the last thing we need to do is make a large medallion for the gate to let the audience members know that this is the entrance to Crunchem Hall. For that, we're going to make a digital design that we can then produce on a CNC. Now, this set piece does not show up much in the play, but the gate was built for 2 different productions to use it on multiple nights. Our hope is that this gate can also be used in future productions of other plays moving forward. I can't wait to see what the schools are doing next year, and maybe we'll have the opportunity to make another prop or set piece. Until next time, go get lost in the garage.